Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GHSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, a crazy movement today, and the chart's definitely looking pretty sketchy. I'm not going to say that the chart's destroyed because that wouldn't be quite accurate. But yeah, things are looking very, very shaky right now because, I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way up here and some poor souls were buying and chasing the price, and then the price pulled all the way back to where it was. Now, did the price crash? No, it didn't quite crash. Did it have a very, very big pullback? Absolutely. And this is why, to me, going into next week, the muscle level, no excuses about it, is right here at 38 cents. Why is 38 so important? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but just for explanation's sake on why I do consider this a very important technical level. But let's say if the price came down to 38 and then just continued on down, what would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price came down here, behaved in that manner, then began to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there, and if you envision those as stair steps, well, hey, at least you have some stair steps making progress now in the upwards direction. Certainly, there's perspective that goes with all this, meaning if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, then yeah, from that point of view, you don't really care about these stair steps. So keep in mind that when I'm talking about the overall chart and the bigger picture stair steps, I'm assuming that you're not some sort of day trader that chased the price and bought way up there. I'm assuming you care about just the big picture of things. So overall, nasty movement today. But yeah, 38 cents, very important level because you got to be fair, and the price does still have the opportunity to show a sign of progress, but you also don't want to see the price going right back to where it was, and that's, again, what 38 represents. So we'll see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.